Introducing next generation Galaxy Watch Active. Most watches just capture data, but we've devised a watch that doesn't just collect information, it's smart enough to interpret it. We developed sophisticated motion sensors that scrutinize your movements. So, like a personal trainer, Watch advises you how to improve your performance and reach your goals. Watch ingeniously detects when you're active and when you're not. We designed it to keep track of your stress levels, so you can reset whenever you need to. And it's configured to combine seamlessly with the Samsung Health app, so you can manage your fitness, look after your well-being, and even monitor the REM quality of your sleep. In a truly revolutionary move, we've introduced wireless power share, which will charge your watch right from the Galaxy S10. All you have to do is choose a strap, pick a face, and let Watch Active go to work. Next generation Galaxy Watch Active, the smartwatch that gives you smart advice.